Hi. So today we are putting together a metal arch that will go into the entrance to the new no-till shade garden on the side of the house. I haven't decided which side I want it to go on. My husband already got a massive start on this for me. I'm just going to finish it up. So here the arch is completed. We'll figure out exactly where to put it outside when my sister gets here in a few days. And I bought solar lights that are going to be fed through this, so it should end up being gorgeous. So we've decided to put the arch right here at the entrance, beginning of the path, rather than at the entrance to the shade garden on either side. So I think that's going to be awesome. We measured where we want them, and this is our first hole that we're going to be drilling. Marked it. Use the auger. Okay, so use the auger to dig the holes that we need. This side is definitely lower than this side, but it looks pretty even. I think this is where we're going to keep it. I'm going to put some water in all of the holes just to help the dirt. So now I'm going to use soil and just fill in the holes just to stabilize it a little better. I think tonight we will run the lights when the sun goes down. Still a little too hot to do this right now. So now we're going to go ahead and put the lights around the arch. Okay, so this is the finished version. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. And we're talking now about what plants we want to plant on either side, preferably something climbing. But I think it came out beautiful.